Welcome to this demonstration of Backblaze B2 with Catalogic DPX. Here I'll demonstrate how quick and easy it is to seamlessly integrate Backblaze B2 with Catalogic DPX to provide a cost-effective, scalable and secure backup target. So let's jump in. First, I'll log into the Backblaze B2 portal and create an immutable repository. To do this, we simply select Create a Bucket, provide the bucket with a unique name, we then create our bucket. And once this is done, we go and create our app key for the bucket. Take note of your key ID, key name and application key because we'll need those when configuring within DPX. Now we have finished configuring our Backblaze B2 storage bucket. Let's now jump into DPX. To place data into Backblaze B2 from Catalogic DPX, the first thing we'll need to do in DPX is configure the Backblaze B2 device cluster. Select the device type of cloud and select your cloud provider type as Backblaze B2. From here then we input the endpoint, the key ID, the application key, the bucket name, the upload speed limit and the download speed limit. Once all the relevant parameters have been input, select test. This will verify your device cluster, and as long as communication is possible, it will verify and confirm back. As we can see here, that is done. So if we now select add, that will successfully add our device cluster. Subsequently, add a Cloud Proxy. The Cloud Proxy will perform the data movement from your vStore to Backblaze B2. Next, we will add a media pool. Select the first letter for the media volumes. Your media pool and device are now ready for use. You can now set up and configure block archives, VMware agentless archives, and NDMP backups via DPX to Backblaze B2. To configure an archive to Backblaze B2, select the Backup tab, Agentless VMware, and then Schedule Backup Job. In the job schedule, you can then configure a base archive and an incremental archive to a device cluster and the media pool that we have defined. Within this screen is also where S3 Object Lock is configured. Set to yes and your preferred retention mode. The default here being compliance, as in compliance mode, a protected object version can't be overwritten or deleted via any user, including root. With these settings defined, I will now run the base VMware agentless archive to Backblaze B2. As we can see here, my VMware agentless archive job to Backblaze B2 has successfully completed. Our data is now protected and archived to Backblaze B2. So what happens if my DPX environment is compromised via cybercriminals attempting to delete or expire backups with root access to my DPX environment? If we attempt to expire the job instance within DPX, you can see that this is not possible, even with root access, as the recovery point is protected and therefore the retention time for this record cannot be modified. And there we have it, immutability achieved by object lock within DPX. This results in your backups remaining safe and sound despite a hacker attempting to remove. As you can see, seamlessly integrating Catalogic DPX and Backblaze B2 Cloud Storage is a piece of cake, enabling ransomware protection, simplicity, security, compliance and reliability. And that's it. Thank you for taking the time to watch this demo on Backblaze B2 with Catalogic DPX.